Hi, I'm Adriana Baranek. You're watching UseWise YouTube channel. I'm CEO of Miadria Group, and here with me is Mladen Baranek, our CTO.
Hi.
So, topic today is easy examples of security with the public cloud, and Mladen will tell us more about it.
So public cloud brings new set of features and protocols for authorizing applications and for identity services that enable users to log in with username, password, keys, and other by other means. So when you are using public cloud, you get far more capable protection than when you are using on-prem solutions. One example is a context-aware login. So if there is something fishy with the login, then public cloud providers will most probably challenge user with the employee number or some other data to double check whether it is the real user trying to log in. But it goes far beyond that. So in many cases you can limit login to a specific context. You can easily enforce multi-factor authentication with keys or with mobile phones using SMS messages. But what it goes beyond that. So for example, with Google Chrome, you can actually check whether your usernames and passwords are leaked, and the user can actually go and see which passwords are flagged as weak passwords and which passwords are publicly available for his username. And it is intention that in the future, so we have our own UseWise um, applications that we will integrate also capability in case of leaked user password, that user will be asked to immediately change password, and it will be asked to uh, provide multi-factor authentication for the next login. So it is really kind of imperative, if you are taking care of security, to use Azure Active Directory or Google Identity as your primary identity provider, instead of using Active Directory or some other LDAP based on-prem solution for.
Yeah, and basically, we know that large companies, especially, have long tails, and that it is impossible for them to move to the public cloud all at once and to just disassemble their on-prem architecture. But having elements of the public cloud help you with authentication, authorization, moving critical work processes into the public cloud can really go a long way toward ensuring that your security in the company is up to par. One thing that we like to emphasize is that just the sheer numbers and expertise. So if you are a huge company, you might have a team dealing with information security, but Google has hundreds and hundreds of people that are PhDs and that study security every day of their life and really know what they're doing. So basically, take the advantage of the public cloud to make your life easier.
And a week ago, Google announced a major investment in improving security. So they will also boost all their efforts to provide security on public cloud.
Yeah, and we are looking forward to the Microsoft Ignite, which will be happening very soon. And Microsoft is sure also to announce many news regarding the security. So if you have any questions regarding the security in the public cloud, you can feel free to browse our channel, and there are many videos like intranet versus internet, and we have talked about security in many details in many videos. And also we have office hours every Friday, which you can book and have a private chat with us, so that we can give you some more documentation, or point you to some public sources where you can find more information about the security of the public cloud and how public cloud can help your company. So thank you, Mladen, so much for your time. And
Thank you.
we will see you very soon. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.